Hi, today I'm going to show you email link login plugin that removes the need to remember password on your OS Class website. So it doesn't change the registration process. You still need to enter your password, or maybe if you log in using Google or Facebook login, you don't need to, right? But for standard registration process, it has no impact. But on the login page, it it can replace standard password login with email login link. So first you can enable email verification. Straightforward process. Empty password login means that if you try to log in with empty password, so you don't put anything here, it will automatically think you want to log in with email link. So basically it removes the requirement of password to be put in login form. Hide login password input means that the password input will be hidden on a login page. You can do it manually as well, just to be 100% sure that it's not shown, but the plugin will try to hide it by allocating the input by its name. A redirect password to record page means that when user try to recover password, it's automatically redirected to login page because if you think about it, getting recover link and login link is very similar, and it does make sense to have a recover option if you have a login option with login link. Enable login button means that the button will be added to your login page manually using a hook, and you can define hook you want to use here. So let's have a look on it in action. Okay, we have a login button here. We didn't change none of these, so let's try to hide input. See, it's hidden and not there anymore, so you can just log in with the email link. Yeah, let's put it back. This one is not really important, so just stick with these two options. Okay, now I know what's my email. I have a temp mail here. Let me refresh it. Let me copy my email address, and I'm already registered on demo site. No, with this one I'm not. Let me change it. Let me go to users and just update one. The email has changed already. Okay, just use this one. Nothing else matter. Okay, let me click on send me login link. Let's put the email address here and let's hit send. Now it has been sent to my mailbox. You see, you cannot click like multiple times. There is the protection. You can just get the login link once per 60 seconds and try to refresh. The refresh page will not help you to avoid this rule. It can be just once per 60 seconds. You see, nothing is happening. So let's go here. Let's see my email. Okay, mark as spam, right? Because it has a link and I never received such email. So your request to sign in with this user. Finish by clicking on the button. And voila, I'm logged in into my account. Okay, let me see the profile just to make sure it's a correct one. Yeah, Ernest Volk. Right. And I'm here. Thank you for watching.